Imagine running a delete statement and watching every single row in your production database vanish. One missing her clause is all it takes. Here's the danger. Delete without a her clause removes every single row from the table. No questions asked, no confirmation prompt. You run delete from users and suddenly your entire user base is gone. The table structure remains, but all the data completely wiped. This isn't a warning, it's a command that SQL executes immediately. And it's irreversible without a backup. The here clause is your safety net. It limits deletion to only the rows that match your condition. Delete from users here account status equals inactive. Now you're targeting specific records, not nuking the entire table. If row transforms a reckless mass deletion into a precise controlled operation. It's the difference between a surgical strike and carpet bombing your data. The real-world consequences are devastating. Accidental data loss can mean hours of downtime while you scramble to restore from backups, assuming you have them. You might face compliance violations if you delete customer data without proper authorization. Your company loses trust, revenue tanks, and your engineering team spends days cleaning up the mess. One careless delete can trigger a cascade of failures across your entire system. So how do you protect yourself? First, always run a select statement with the same here clause before you delete. Verify you're targeting the right rows. Second, use transactions. Wrap your delete in begging and comment so you can roll back if something looks wrong. Third, never run delete statements in production without peer review. And finally, maintain regular backups. When disaster strikes, and it will, you need a way to recover. These practices aren't optional. They're survival skills for database work. Remember, always use here clauses with deleted to target specific rows and prevent catastrophic data loss. Practice safe SQL. Your future self will thank you. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.